Hey there! Do you find yourself reaching for unhealthy snacks when you're feeling hungry in between meals? In this video, I share 6 healthy snack tips to help you make simple, delicious snacks to keep you feeling energized and focused throughout the day. Say goodbye to mindless snacking and hello to a happier, healthier you. My first tip is create your own healthy trail mix. Make your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, dried fruit. You could do a little bit of dark chocolate for some added sweetness, and then you can mix in some whole grain cereal for some added crunch, and then portion out your trail mix into single serving bags for an easy on-the-go snack. Bring your healthy snacks with you because people get into the cycle of waiting many hours between meals, and then they feel so hungry that by their next meal or snack, they just stuff themselves. And you are more likely to make bad food choices when you're famished and more likely to overeat as well. So snacking throughout the day can keep you satisfied. It can also help stabilize blood sugar, which can help maintain energy throughout the day. There was a study done on snacking and heart health, and the study compared 2 groups of people who ate the same diet. The group who ate healthy snacks throughout the day had a reduction in their LDL cholesterol by 14% and a reduction in their total cholesterol by 9%. There was another study done at the University of Wales that showed that women who ate healthy snacks throughout the day had a better mood, they were sharper mentally, and they performed better on their daily tasks. So the research shows that it's actually healthy to snack. Because if we're snacking throughout the day, we're not going to be famished by that next meal. And so that meal, we're going to make better choices, we're not going to overeat, and we're just going to eat a more balanced diet overall and help keep our blood sugar stabilized throughout the day if we're having healthy snacks throughout the day. Tip number 2 is to plan ahead. You want to have healthy snacks with you wherever you go. This is honestly my number 1 tip when people say, "Oh, can you help me lose weight? I need a dietitian to help me. What can I do?" And I always say, you want to bring healthy snacks with you whenever you leave your house, because that way, when that hunger strikes, you're not going to be in a position where you have to go eat gas station food, fast food, or get snacks from a vending machine. You're going to be prepared with your healthy snacks. All you have to do is portion snack foods into reusable containers when you get home from the grocery store, and then they're ready to grab and go. Some healthy snacks that you could do are carrots, strawberries, any type of berries or fruit. These types of snacks are high in fiber. They also have water content, so this is going to help with hydration. These snacks have fiber and micronutrients like vitamins and minerals, so this is going to help reduce sugar cravings because you're going to be satisfied with healthy snacks that have a little sweetness, so you're not going to want to reach for those junk food sugary sweets. The other thing you can have that is going to be higher in protein is boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, grass-fed beef jerky. You could do a healthy fruit and nut bar or protein bar. These are going to be great protein-rich snack options. They're going to help reduce cravings throughout the day. So they're going to help reduce those sugar cravings you might have or those sugary carb cravings that you might have throughout the day. And so speaking of cravings, I have a free online class where I teach you how to get rid of unhealthy food cravings for good without having to give up your favorite foods. Even if you've struggled with unhealthy food cravings for many years. In the class, I teach you how to identify the root cause of your unhealthy food cravings and how to get rid of them for good. You'll also learn how to use my proven method to reduce and replace unhealthy food cravings so that you can get healthy again and lose weight quickly. So if you want to sign up for my free class on food cravings, the link to this class is in the description box below. Tip number 3 is to make it a combo. Use the food groups to build a satisfying snack. For example, we talked about doing a protein-rich snack like Greek yogurt. Well, you could pair it with berries because the berries are going to have that water content, the fiber, the micronutrients, and this is going to be a more balanced snack that's going to help you stay full even longer. You could do apple slices with nut butter. You could try whole grain crackers with turkey and avocado. Here's the thing, common snack foods like pretzels, chips, and highly processed crackers have no nutritional value whatsoever. They are just empty calorie refined carbohydrates that will leave you still feeling hungry after eating them. And that's why it's so easy to eat a whole bag of chips or a whole bag of pretzels and then still feel hungry later, because there's no fiber, there's no protein, there's no healthy fats. So you're still gonna feel hungry and you're just gonna wanna eat more carbs most likely. Real whole foods that have either fiber, fat, or protein, or a combination of these things will provide a feeling of fullness and will help you stay feeling satisfied. Other healthy snack combos that are good options would be carrots and ranch, cucumbers and hummus, whole grain crackers with cheese, banana with peanut butter, hard-boiled egg with avocado, trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit, rice cakes with almond butter, and banana slices. Tip number 4 is to color your snack and go for vibrant veggies. So when you're picking out your healthy snacks for the day, you can try raw vegetables with dips. Try dipping bell peppers, carrots, or cucumbers in hummus, guacamole, or a low-fat yogurt sauce. When it comes to carrots and ranch, the fat from the ranch actually will help the beta-carotene, vitamins, and minerals from the carrots be absorbed so much better. With hummus, you have protein and fiber, so this is going to help you stay full. And if you would like to see how to make hummus from scratch, I have a video where I teach you how to make classic American hummus, and also a video on how to make traditional Middle Eastern hummus from scratch. It's so easy. The recipe is so easy. So I will leave these links to these hummus recipes in the description box below. Tip number 5 is to wash and enjoy the ultimate grab and go snack. Fruit. Apples, pears, grapes, and fresh berries are great go-to snacks when you're looking for a quick, sweet treat. Any type of fruit is going to be a great snack. And for those of you who are like, well, fruit is too high glycemic for my low carb diet, I can promise you that it's not apples and bananas that are making America fat. There are so many health benefits of fruit. Fruit is low in calories, it's high in fiber, which this is going to help you with weight management. Fruit's also rich in antioxidants, which is going to help protect against chronic illness. Fruit's high in vitamins and minerals and has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. And fruit's such a good source of hydration because it has a high water content. So this will help improve digestion, relieve constipation. And studies show that fruit boosts the immune system, improves heart health, skin health, and brain function. So don't skip out on the fruit. Definitely utilize fruit as a great grab and go snack because it's so easy. All you have to do is buy it at the store, wash it, and it's ready to eat. Tip number 6 is to stock your fridge and prep for success. Keep cut up fruits and vegetables visible and within reach in the fridge for a convenient anytime snack. You can store them in clear containers at eye level in the fridge. You can cut up fruits and vegetables in advance on your meal prep planning day and then portion them out into small bags for easy grab and go snacking. You can even have a designated snack drawer in the fridge for cut up fruits and veggies, and then just make it a habit of prepping fruits and vegetables at the beginning of the week to have them readily available for snacking. All right, so we just went over 6 healthy snack tips to help you make simple, delicious snacks that will help keep you feeling full, energized, and focused throughout the day. I created a handout with all of these tips listed in it. All you have to do is download it right to your phone. You can download it to your computer and print it out if necessary. The link to the handout is in the description box below. My name is Teresa. I help men and women transform their bodies through simple diet and lifestyle changes so they can lose weight, eat without feeling guilty, and fit into their favorite clothes again. If you would like to have your own personal nutritionist to help you reach your health and lifestyle goals, then you are welcome to connect with me for a free consult and talk with me about a struggle you're having with your diet and lifestyle habits, we can explore some options that may be helpful for you, and I have a special link that is for anyone watching this video. So to sign up for the free consult, you just go to missnutrition.com/schedule. Lastly, subscribe if you want to stay connected with me and see any new videos I post on nutrition so that you can learn how you can achieve your health and wellness goals for weight loss and muscle gain. And if you're a woman dealing with fertility issues, I also specialize in PCOS, endometriosis, and skin issues like acne. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.